In this video I will show you how to unlock theft block enabled radios for General Motors vehicles from the late 90s into the early 2000s. This is applicable to Chevrolet, GMC, and Pontiac radios that look similar to this. They can be CD or tape players. They all have the same procedure. You'll know that the theft block is enabled if you try to turn on the radio and it just says LOC on the display and the radio won't turn on. What this means is it wants you to enter a code to make the radio work. Here's how to retrieve the code. First, you need to turn on the ignition key, but don't turn on the radio. So we'll do this Pontiac one. Again, this is applicable to the Chevrolet or the Pontiac radios. You'll see it says LOC on the display. What you want to do at this point is press and hold the number 2 and 3 preset buttons, and a number will display on the screen. Just keep holding the buttons. This says 282, so now we're going to write that down. 282. Then you're going to press the AM/FM button and get your second number, which is 291. So I'll write down 291, and this is all we need to do at this point at the radio. Next, you need to find a telephone. Once you have found a telephone, dial the phone number at the bottom of the screen. This is the GM dealership support line for Delco radios. You don't need to talk to anybody, it's just a recording. Once you dial the phone number and you hear the recording start, enter one of the 6-digit codes at the bottom of the screen, followed by the star key. What these codes represent is the dealership identification number that you're calling from. Not just anybody is supposed to call this number, you're supposed to be a dealer, so these are the dealer codes. If one of them doesn't work, hang up and try again with another one. So, we'll start out. So go 800. And we'll put it on speakerphone.
GM dealers with Delco radio only. Enter division digit. Invalid account number. Please try again. Invalid account number. Please try again. Thank you. Enter the 4 or 6-digit display code followed by an asterisk.
So now you're going to enter the 2 sets of 3-digit numbers from the radio. So in my case it's 2822991 star.
The 4-digit radio unlock code is 0150. Repeat, 0150. If you need another unlock code, enter the display code followed by an asterisk.
So that's how you get the code. Now we go back out to the radio and I'll show you how to unlock it. Now back out at the radio, we need to enter the code that the nice gentleman on the phone gave us. The code is 0150. Because the first number is a 0, we ignore that and we're just going to enter the 150 in the display. To enter the code, you use the hour and minute buttons. Again, this is the same on either Pontiac or the Chevrolet radios. On these radios, the hour and minutes are down here. So start with the minute button. The minute button controls the last 2 digits of the radio. So just start pressing the minute buttons. We want to go up to 50. and we're almost there. 50, and then the hour button controls the next digit. So we press that once, and it says 150, which matches the code. After this, press the AM/FM button, and it says security, which means it's the security is enabled. And then you press the power button, and it works. So that's how you unlock a GM theft lock radio. Thanks for watching.